In a busy restaurant, it's easy for mistakes to happen, like ringing up a drink on the wrong table. Instead of voiding the item or rewriting the whole order, Percent POS lets you transfer a single line item from one table to another with just a few taps. Here's how it works. Start by opening the original table, the one that has the item you need to move. From the table layout, tap the table to open the check. On the sales screen, tap to highlight the item you want to transfer. Keep in mind, this only works one item at a time, so select carefully. Next, open the user menu and select Transfer Item. If no item is selected, the button won't activate, so make sure you highlight it first. Now you'll see the full table layout again. Just tap the destination table, the one that should receive the item. And that's it. The item will move over instantly, and you can return to the table layout to double-check that it landed in the right place. This is a great tool for fixing order errors on the fly, especially when guests change seats or items get entered on the wrong check. Fast, simple, and no need to redo the entire transaction.